This is possibly the best text to video AI generator I have come across yet. This is Runway's Gen 3 Alpha model and it is super impressive. It feels like the biggest leap AI video has taken since OpenAI Sora was announced, and right now its access is open to all. So let's dive right in. And I will urge you to watch the video all the way till the end to see the power of this platform and all the cool stuff that is possible using Runway ML's Gen 3 by simply typing text prompts and seeing all the amazing videos that you can create. To use Runway ML's Gen 3 Alpha, simply come onto the website of runwayml.com. Then you'll see this kind of an interface. Just come here, sign up and create your free account, or simply click on Try Gen 3 Alpha. Once you have signed in and created your free account, you'll see this kind of an interface. Simply come here and click on Get Started. Then you'll see this interface. On the left we have the prompt box, and on the right is where all the videos get generated and get collected. So here, come in on the top left hand side and click on this. Here it will let you select between Gen 2 and Gen 3. So we'll obviously stick to Gen 3 for this video. Then this is the prompt box. Here you have the option of clicking on this and going through this prompt guide, which will help you in getting the best possible results. This is how the prompt guide goes. So you can go through this in detail, or you can simply start typing and experiment your way through this like the way I did. So I'll just paste a basic prompt here. A fashionable model posing for a video looking really nice and fashionable. Then if you come here on the left, let's go through all of these buttons quickly. Here these three lines indicate the settings toggle. I'll click on this. So here we have the seed number for this particular generation which is going to come up. I can just copy this here so that in future if I like this result, for my future generations, I'll have to just come back again to the settings column, paste the seed to try and get similar results to the one that I'm going to generate now. Obviously, I'll leave the remove watermark box ticked so that the runway watermark doesn't come in. And for the standard plan, they are giving a resolution of 720p. I really can't do much about it. If you come down further here, you have the option of selecting the duration of the video between 5 seconds and 6 seconds. The more seconds that you consume, the more credits get consumed obviously. So I'll stick to 5 seconds for the first video. We'll come here and click on this button to see what this offers. So this button offers certain custom presets. So let's click on this and see what comes up. So right now this is one custom preset a fashion model posing for a video. So you can use this to test out the first prompt, like the one that I have used here. I have used their custom preset. And you can also go ahead and create your own custom presets so that in future you can simply just paste them. So for that you just come here and click on create new, and here you can name the preset fashion models or something like that, and just here the prompt has come in here and I can just click on create. So here you can see my custom presets my first custom preset has been created. So next time I don't need to type a prompt here, I can just simply click on apply and the custom preset comes up on top. So once all of this is done, just simply come here and click on generate, and in a short while the video should be ready. So this is the result from our first attempt. I have scoured the internet, Twitter, Mid-Journey and gathered few prompts that seemed pretty impressive and ran my own little tests, made lots of videos which you will be able to see now in the following clips. You already know how to make it, so I won't give a boring commentary besides each video to give you my own view. Prompts for each of the videos will be down in the description below serially, so if you like anything you can run your own test. caveat, this model is behind a paywall of $12 a month, but seeing the quality, I am very excited to see the tons of use cases. Just imagine we will be able to create our own commercials for our own businesses or services without having to hire a super expensive agency and big production budgets. It seems very exciting and extremely empowering. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this video, you will certainly enjoy this video where we have discussed an AI tool using which you can create your own website, presentations, and so many other cool things using simple text prompts. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you and see you in the next video.